Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. This is Jean from the Inky Studio. I am going to share today a custom order that I've been working on for the past several weeks, and it's what's really been taking up a lot of my time, but it's been a joyful project. I've really enjoyed it. Essentially what they are is the customer asked me to make 3 recipe journals, and I'm going to show you one of them to show you, give you an idea of what I've been doing. So this is the front of it. It's done in a vintage farmhouse style, and it is covered with cloth. Each of them was covered with a cloth on the outside. On the spine, eventually, I'm going to be putting down this lace and burlap section on it. I'm just waiting for the customer to tell me if she wants me to add a book plate or not. So that is going to be on the spine, and it is closed by a seam binding, crinkled up, and it has like a lace around the digital with burlap. Now I also created all the digitals in here, so that also took a lot of time. So that was like 15 pages, full pages of digitals that I created to put inside here. There is also some paper that digitals I already had, and this is one of them. But most of everything you see in here are digitals that I created. The inside cover is with a piece of chipboard, so it's like just like a book. Really, it's hard as a hardcover book, and um, I put everything on a hinge. So how this is organized by 7 sections, and each section has a slightly gusseted pocket here, and some digital print on the back of it. And I also put in ephemera and stuff like that throughout the journal. Then each section then is followed by 3 pages of 5 pockets. And let me tell you, I made 336 pockets for these 3 journals. That was a lot of pockets, and I can take a break from that for a while for sure. But inside here would be room for 2 or 3 recipe cards. So you can see that you can really store quite a few. So each section then has 3 pages of that. And then it starts with a new section. And eventually I think the client will put tabs here to divvy up the different sections to maybe be side dishes or appetizers or whatever. So I'm just going to go through here. Now I've covered up the photographs because the personalization of these journals included putting the client's photographs in here, and I've covered the ones I thought could be recognizable for her privacy, but they're scattered throughout here. So this is the first section of the journaling pages, and so I've scattered more photos throughout here. And so she wanted the recipient, she's giving these as gifts, so she wanted the recipient to be able to do their own writing or maybe collecting their own photographs or whatever. And they're they love horses, and so I kind of put that theme inside here. And I'll just go through and show you these. Oops, I didn't really cover that. I forgot to cover that picture up, didn't I? Here, let me just put that in there really fast. So yeah, so it was a lot of fun designing the pages. But it was work, but I had a learning curve to go through because I tried out a lot of different things I had not tried before, and I was just happy to learn it all. It was really great. So that's the first section. So there would be 16 pages on both sides. And then here are the other pockets I have in here. So I tried to add the stuff that is kind of a vintage farmhouse type of thing. And then here's the other journaling section. here. And I've put more of her photographs, more digital papers that I created. So right here. This section has a vegetable on it. The other one had a rooster. And there's that section, or that's the journaling portion. So, and different ephemera from different places that I got. You really can't see that too well. And this is the last digital part here, or digital, the last journaling part. And I put horses in this particular section here. So these are the other papers I created. Yeah, I like this. This is really fun. This burlap image there. And there's this. And here we go. So that's a little extra thing I put in there for her. And so yeah, this is these. So I made 3 of these. And I just thought I would share them with you to let you know what I've been doing. And I do plan to make another one of these for my shop, but not with the journaling pages, just as a recipe organizer. So I do plan to do that, and I might even do a tutorial on putting one of these together in the future, probably after the holidays for sure. Just too much going on for now, but I will do that. I plan to do that eventually. So thanks a lot for viewing. I really appreciate you stopping by, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.